Hi everyone, so welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse video in Capcut. So as you guys can see here, I've already added a video into the editor page on Capcut, and I'm going to reverse this video and I'm going to show you how. So what you need to do is you need to click on the video first in here, and then you can just browse over the toolbar at the bottom until you find the reverse option. Okay, so this one's right here. So this is the original video and I'm going to reverse it. So just click on the reverse, and now the video is reversing. You can just wait. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it because it might take a while. Okay, so now the reverse is done. Oops. And I'll show you the result. Okay, so this is the reverse version of the video. Okay, so I think that's it. That is how you can reverse video in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.